Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with OMGHerHair once more. Again, another sleek minimalistic packaging. I always love getting this package. It's just so sleek and clean. So inside I have the drawstring bag, which is branded, and we're gonna get into that because obviously it has the wig. And then I have a elastic band and it says OMGHerHair. By the way, excuse my voice, I'm a little bit under the weather. Okay, I got this rat tail comb. There's also a thank you card inside the package, and I got a pair of HD wig caps. That's everything that came for goodies in the box. This is the wig we're working with today, guys. This is a pre-cut, pre-braided 8x6 curly bob, and it is 12 inches long. Okay, when stretched, of course. These curls are so nice and soft. Love that. And as it says, it's pre-braided, so they have these two braids in the front. I love it's also a HD lace that I believe, and it's already bleached, so you don't have to worry about doing that for yourself. So this is also a dome cap fitted glueless wig, so it didn't come with any like extra elastic band on the inside. What it does have are combs, 3 combs on the inside, 1 in the back, and you can remove it. It's removable. So it's removable, like you can attach it with the Velcro portion and you can just put it back there. So I like that. And same thing for the ones on the side. So 2 on the sides, 1 in the back. They even have the curve to accommodate your ears on the side. I love how upgraded and integrated this is. They have the non-slip strips, and this is actually what can adjust the wig. So you see that? It's like a drawstring wig. Love that so much. So you can just apply it to your head, you know, position it as you like, and then you just, you know, pull the string to where it feels most comfortable and secure on your head, and you're good to go. Isn't that so easy? Super beginner friendly. I love it. And it's really cute, very trendy, really cute. It's a 1B color, by the way. It's so full. I'm gonna be sure to put all the specifications in the description box as usual, so please go ahead and check that out. But yeah, that's how the wig is looking. So let's go ahead and jump into this very easy, very beginner friendly wig install. Let's go. So I just slip it on and I'm adjusting it to how it feels more secure on my head. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the ear portion, it's sitting comfortably around it. So all I'm gonna do is the string at the back now, as I showed you, is pull it and adjust it to how tight I want it to be on my head. And there it is, very secure. Let me give you a shake test. It is not going anywhere, and the lace is very undetectable, like right off the bat, very undetectable. Like, we've already established how full this wig is. Like, it just blends right in. The only thing I'm gonna do is just take a little teeny bit more powder to just further blend the very front, but there's nothing that you need to do. This is so 1, 2, 3. It's so easy, it's so to the point. Like, the only thing I'm gonna do is kind of wet it up so you guys can see how it looks like, you know, more of a wet state. But this is so hassle free. You can even put this portion behind you. I like it like that. Ooh. So you see, very undetectable. Like, yeah, this is definitely a 10 so far. I love it, love it. I feel like, to how easy this is and to the point, I feel like I'm missing steps, but I'm missing nothing. That's how very to the point this application is. And But it's not time consuming at all to go ahead and install this on your own. Now all I'm gonna do is go ahead and get my spray bottle and with some water, and I'm going to get this nice and, you know, wet. But if you wanted to go ahead and wear it with the volume, you could just play in it, get it a little bigger. The more you run your hands through it, the bigger the hair will get, because you know it's a nice curly texture. Like, look at that. I love the volume. I love the voluminous look, actually. It's just that I want to show you guys variety as usual. When it comes down to curly textures, I'm gonna always opt to show you guys it in a wet state as well, just so you know that I give you options. You know, that's what I'm here for. So yeah, oh my gosh, this is so nice. So the more you play in it, the bigger it gets. That is too cute. That is beautiful. Super easy. 1, 2, 3, so to the point. Like, game changer. Love it. I have my spray bottle with water. Get it nice and wet. This just really helps with defining the curls. Like, you know, if it gets really poofy, that's how I'd want this to be. I would want to do like the drenched wet look with this, because the length that is at least, and the style and everything makes me want to have that nice voluminous look, but then with very defined curls. You see how that does, it just looks so nice and defined. Yeah, so over here you realize that it kind of lost some definition, so I'm just, you know, the water really helps to bring back that definition a lot. And that looks so, it looks more together. You know, after a while it's gonna poof up back because it's just water that I added, but it looks so good. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, because I think this looks so good. Shout out to OMG. This is it for today's wig look. I'll be sure to put the direct link to this wig in the description box, as well as all the specifications. And that's it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and wake up on yourself.